The next day.
I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting. You feel me up and out, standing out, but I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend, you're mine, and you ain't making this much easier. If all I do is, when I used to be your best friend, you see me blowing up. Don't act like I'm average, you want me home. I get you what you want, superstar status. You told me no, baby I'm back. You heal me up and out, standing out, but I don't want you around, so baby, I don't want you waiting too long.
See, I'm a star, look at me from afar. Hard to be down to earth when you nesting on Mars. You comment on how I move, too much space to assert, but I'ma tell you the truth. Yeah, now when I'm gone and I roam around the globe for 3 months, that's too long. Without something that's sweet, so I fall. Little drinks, that's a snack, not a feast. They don't mean much to me, cause I know that I have a bakery back at home. Am I wrong for the month?
Act like I'm average, you want me home. I get you what you want, superstar status. You told me no, go baby I'm back. You heal me up and out, standing out, but I don't want you around, so baby, I don't want you waiting too long. You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you could just give it what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna just give me what you need, waste your time with me. You can have all your space, more than you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me. Close your eyes to get away. Bang my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there. had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? Believe it if I told you all.
So I'm done packing all of my stay-at-home clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna just put everything back like that. And then done packing the side. Also, tell me you're not proud of me. According to color coordination, colors the side black, white, and my pajamas.
What is love? Believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just be mad for.
So I'm gonna be unboxing this package that I got from Desirado. This package here. Take a screenshot. So I got this package from Desirado. I recently won a Instagram competition that was created by Sabulous the creator. So I did win the package. So they did say that it's a hamper and a bottle. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. So let me get a scissor quickly. So that we can see what's inside. Open this with you guys. I don't know if you guys watched that other vlog where I shared with you guys how I lost my other phone, and there were a lot of vlogs there, including the vlog. Oh my god, I don't know how to open this. Including the vlog where I lost a footage of another hamper I won. Oh yeah, open it again. Another hamper I won from 4 cousins. So I was kind of bad. I was like, I kind of felt bad with how it picked a jammy, that real. I think I'm opening it upside down. This side up. Okay, yeah. I kind of felt bad, you know, because that whole vlog, or the vlogs that were on that phone that I lost, was so great. Even the quality, like, they were on peak. Okay, they ate. How I gave finally decided to take the phone, so I had to start everything afresh. And God says you're gonna win a competition. I like you, yeah. So we're gonna open this together and see what's inside. I'm just hoping my phone won't switch up. Yo, they wrapped this up, hey phone. Oh my god! And let me show you guys what's inside. Obviously, it's a lot of cling wrap. I just want you guys to get the first look with me. Big basket! I'm just gonna open it and see. Okay, yeah. I can open it here, I think. Put you guys first so that you can see it. They did put me up with this because I was looking for a basket, for a picnic basket for a long time. Child, the quality. If it can hold something so heavy, that's like premium quality. These are the glasses, Desirado, Fizz. Oh, this is such a thoughtful giveaway package. These are the glasses. Okay, let me just go here. So this is the Finch and Leaders soda water. I hope I pronounced that right. I've never mixed a drink with soda water before. And then the star of the moment. Talk about a bottle. Packaging. Oh my god, let me create a reel for this. Thank you so much to Desirado Official and Sabulous the creator for awarding me with this beautiful Desirado giveaway hamper. I love it so much. especially the basket. Like, I've never received anything this good quality. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this. Does it focus or not? Like, a good quality basket. It's also reusable. Like, it's something that I always have with me. You know, picnics, beach dates. I'm sorted. Okay, I'm sorted. Like, I love a very reusable giveaway package. Okay, this was like the most thoughtful thing ever. Okay, thank you so much, Disarano Official and Sabu the creator. I appreciate this gift very much. This is going to be the end of today's vlog. I know I did vlog quite a bit, which Korea on the side. To vlog kangako, you know, when I'm home. But I want to do more of these vlogs because everything is content here. So I just want to put out there my authentic, realistic self. No filter, no creating content that I think people like. I'm gonna create content that resonates with me. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog.